I think we should sit in general, yeah? And I have to thank the Raw Pressberry. You've just saved me from collapsing on stage with hunger. I absolutely love your juices, and I'm going to be finishing all of them if our esteemed guests who are here as well. But wait, I'm going to call you, our lovely guests, I'm going to call you on. So, we have two guests of honor who are going to be joining us. One of them is here right now. She's no stranger to you. I love the tag Namrata gives her. A true bohemian beauty. But as far as I'm concerned, one of the few people who has bridged the gap between fashion and film and done it in style. A fantastic current supermodel, an even better actor to boot, who's also won the IFA award for her role in Queen. I think you know who I'm talking about. Please give it up for the extremely stunning Lisa Hayden. From the center. Lisa, where you saw me standing, you have to walk in through the center. From this way. Oh, you. There's a secret special entry for you, Lisa. And I think the other thing we have in common is we're not lazy girls. I was. But from horse riding to Pilates to ATS chambers, Lisa, her, me, to scuba diving. So, we'll talk to you about why this title, but Lisa! So I'm moderating. You're the chief guest. I'm going to push you to the center, yeah? I'm going to let you get your breath back, since traffic's been really crazy. But we're going to ask Namrata, since you've been hearing we're all nothing but we're not lazy girls at all. Why this title for your first book, when you're like this dancer, Pilates coach, scuba diver, squash player, horse rider, bicycler, dancer again?
Basically, I think the title was inspired, it came from when I was...
Yeah, you hold it here, like that close.
I need the guidance, yeah. Hello, yeah. Okay, so the reason the title is what it is because when I was in school and college, and we always find that people think going to the gym is boring, or not everyone thinks working out is fun, and everyone's like, no, workout, not today, we'll start tomorrow. And then I thought, it's not only about going to the gym, is it? I mean, there are so many things that we can do that come in the form of a workout, but they're disguised. So like, it's like going shopping. You know, if you go shopping, you're actually walking for a lot of time. And I actually ended up checking how many calories that burns, and it burns 203 calories in 1 hour, which is not bad. It's better than sitting on your couch or sitting at home. So the title was inspired from what I saw in college, and there were a lot of people who had this whole misconception about workout, and that's where we thought, let's tell the lazy girls that it's not really that hard. You can get out there, get fit in an easy and simple, doable way.
Yeah, I think the only thing I know Namrata was lazy about was the time she took to write the book. How long did you take to write this book?
So I started writing this book when I was in college, so that was last year. I started just before my final examination, so my finals were in March. I started writing in Feb, and I submitted it, I think, in August. So it was 6 to 8 months? 6 to 7 months, yeah. Yeah.
That's not too lazy. We're coming to you now as well. So I know from, I've been with Namu, she's like a little sister to me, and I know that there are a few people, she trains a lot of stars, as you've heard, but there are a few people that she genuinely loves, and you're one of them.
So are you.
Yeah, I know. This is a mutual admiration society.
That's why we're here.
So, first about working out with Namrata.
I love Namrata. The other day I did a workout with her after a very long time, and I don't know how many people know what plank is.